Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the AI tool, which is very best AI tool for a programmer. It will be cover about fixing the bugs and refactoring the codes and explain the code base step by step, line by line. So this is very good tool. So tool is not completely free. This is we have to purchase it. So I already sign in. So if you are sign in, you can come to this dashboard. After that, it asking to connect it with your extension into your VS Code editor. I already installed the VS Code editor over here, this extension. Okay, so here you will be able to ask the programming doubts and all. What is the doubts you are asking? According to the doubts, it will be generated. Okay, so here first you can ask only two doubts. Okay, after that it sign up for free. Here it sign up for free. After that here you can ask like this. Here is everything you can ask like this. It is the code will be producing what is the bug if you are writing the codes, okay, line by line. So where you are going to start those code, you are just copy and paste it over here. According to according to your code, the error it is fixing and regenerating the clean code. Okay, this is the things it will be generating very professional way. Okay, so that at the moment I don't have a credits to purchase, so you have to try that one. It's very good tool. Now in 2025, this tool is very famous for there are many companies are running. Okay, if you are go along with the prices, you can go to the prices and check on it. Okay, this is here. This is the sign up. Okay, okay, this you can go along with the prices and you can check on that here enterprise starter. Okay, so enterprise starter here. This is you can here individually dev teams per new free mode. You can try out the free as well, but it's not completely free. After that you have to moving to the $19 per month. Okay, you can get it here. Code search, symbols, everything you can get all popular code languages. You can get post, GitHub, remote, so all the things it will be covered about. Okay, this is very simple. And if you are a programmer, if you are purchase this tool, it's very help us to write the program very professionally codes. Thank you for watching.